Kidpik. I got one for Leah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One for Ava.
Oh my goodness. These adorable black and white shoes with this little star on it. They actually have cheetah on them. Cheetah print. And I love them. They're so cute. Look at mine. They're silver metallic high tops. And they have sparkly laces. That's so pretty. I have these really cool sunglasses that have sunset lenses. They look so cool. Look at these gray and black fishnet socks. They're so pretty. They would go perfect with this shirt. I love this love shirt. It has a little tie at the bottom. It's so adorable. Love it. Next I have this white skirt and it would go perfect with my star top. And these silver high tops. Leah, look, I got a matching skirt in black. And it would go great with my love shirt. Next I got these pair of jeans. And you know what? Me and you could share them because they'll go great with all our stuff. Next, I got this sporty red dress that would go great with my high tops. I think this might be my favorite outfit. Pink camo shorts with stripes on the side. And it even comes with a matching jacket. Let's see what my last outfit is, okay? So it looks like I got these cheetah print leggings with rainbow stripes on the side. And I got a matching hoodie with rainbow stripes as well. I love the hoodie. Me too. Thank you, Kidpik, for another amazing box. Yeah, I can't wait to try all this stuff on.